Hello. I'd like to give you a couple of tips on range selection in Excel. So how do you select a range of cells in Excel, especially if the range has data? You normally click and drag like that. If you need to select the entire column, you click on the column letter, like so. If you need to select an entire row, you click on the row number. You can also drag to select more than one. But if your cell, active cell, is in the column you want to select, Control space will select that column. Now, if you hold the Shift space and press space, then you select the entire row. Now, what's interesting, you can hold Control Shift at the same time and press space, and that will select the data set. If you are in the data set, if you are outside of a data set, then Control Shift space will select everything. It is just like pressing the Control A, select all shortcut. Control A selects everything if you are not in a data set. In a data set, Control A will also select the data first. And if you do it one more time, then you select the entire sheet, which is incidentally the same thing as clicking on this little square right there. Now, it gets more interesting with tables, but there's one more shortcut, Control Shift asterisk. Control Shift asterisk, or the key 8 on your keyboard, is go to current region. So it is basically the same as from the Home tab, go to Find and Select, go to, or go to Special, select current region, and click OK. So that will go to current region. So if you are outside of a data set, Control Shift asterisk is not going to do anything, but Control A will select the entire sheet. Now, these shortcuts get even more interesting if you are dealing with an Excel table. I'm going to create one. Insert table. My table has headers. Click OK. So if you are in a table, Control space will select the column of data first. And the second time you will press Control space, that will include in the selection the column heading. And if you do it one more time, you select the entire column. Now, the same with rows. If you hold Shift and press space, you select the row of data inside the table. And if you do it one more time, then you select the entire row. And of course, if you hold Control Shift at the same time and press space, you select the data inside the table, excluding the other elements. And if you do it one more time, Control Shift space one more time, you include the other elements like column headings. So I hope you like it enough to like it. And I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy.